Hello everyone. Today we will learn how you can plot or draw a pie chart in Microsoft Excel, and we will also see how you can edit that pie chart in terms of its formatting, its visual representation, and how you can make it more appealing. So here I have already made two columns of the data. Keep one thing in your mind that for pie chart you need only one category of the data to visualize it on the pie chart. So let's start it as we have a data in which we want to see that what percentage of the student or what proportion of the students basically use the different social medias like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Thread, and Pinterest. So we want to visualize it on the pie chart, and we want to see what proportion or percentage of each social media the students are using as compared to the others. So let's start by drawing a pie chart. As I will select the data that I want to be in the pie chart. So I have selected both of these columns, but keep this in mind that the pie chart will be based on this numerical value, and these are the values which are representing these which will represent these numerical values. So we will go to the insert tab. Here we have a charts options, so we'll go to this chart option, that is 2D pie chart, and I'll select it. So here we have the pie chart of the given data. So this pie chart is currently is very simple. We need to format it according to our requirement or according to what we feel that it looks better. It looks better to understand for others that what this pie chart is for. For this purpose, we have different options here. First of all, I will see here, this is basically the chart elements that you can add or remove. So chart title is already there. Data labels are not there. So I will select it as well, and the legend is already there. The legend are these values, that is Instagram, Facebook. This is called the legend. That is, if I uncheck it, it will be removed. So if I check it, it will again be there. So it all depends on whatever you want. Then we have if I click on this chart, I have this option, that is what style of pie chart that you want. So there are different styles that you can use. There is also a style in which there is percentage that is mentioned, that what percent of each part is contributing to this pie chart. So if I say there is also this format and there is also this black format, there are multiple formats out there, but I am going to select this one that I feel that it is more appealing. But one thing here is the percentages and the values or the data elements are overlapping. So I can make it like more clear, or I can make it like by dragging them away from each other so that they do not overlap with each other. So this is how we can make it more readable or make the things not to overlap with each other. But it is more appealing for me because there is also the percentage calculated that is basically contributing to each part of this pie, as this whole circle is representing a pie and one slice is basically the one category of the popular social media. So here it is. Now another important thing is this is basically the data that you basically select for to be displayed on the pie chart. So these are the different value. One more thing here is you can double click on it, on this chart, to see the further formatting related to the color or borders or format or font, all that. So here we have this. So here we have different chart options. If I want the formatting of chart area, I will select this chart area, and then I'll go to further formatting down below. Then if I want to format the chart title, I will click this. So chart title, so all the formatting below is basically now related to the chart titles, as it is highlighted here as well. And if I want to edit the legend, so this is the legend area, so it is selected now, and I can make I can edit this area as whatever I want. Like if I want the background of this chart area to be different, like I can select green, I can set blue, whatever the color that I feel is better or is looking more appealing as compared to the others. And then I can I can also select the border, like here it is selected as automatic. I can select as no line, so the border is no border is out there. If I select no line, then if I select solid line, the border will be like there. Here the border of this will be a solid line, and so on. So these are multiple options, and there are also the options of shadow if you want to give shadow to this picture, and the glow and soft edges. There are different options of editing. Similarly, if I want to change the plot area, now plot area is this. If I want to make editing in the look and feel of this plot area, I can do it by selecting the colors, by selecting the transparency and angle and glow and edges, whatever I want. Now here is the option of 3D format. If I want to select any like this kind of format, or if I want to select this kind of format. So these are different formatting options that I can also use if I want. Then, so these are basically all the elements that are inside this pie chart area, this whole block, that you can edit according to your requirement. So you have the options. It's all about you, how you will edit it. So if I close it and I'll see it, so this chart is basically more appealing for me. But one thing here is its title is not basically showing that what this chart is representing. So I can make it by editing it as number of students using popular social media. Now it will tell more about this pie chart as compared to just writing the number of students like this. So I can also increase its size so that you can have more clear picture of it. So its size can also be increased. So this is how you can plot a pie chart in Microsoft Excel. You can edit it, you can format it, and you can one important thing is you must have only one data type that you want to visualize on a pie chart, as pie chart is basically showing the proportions of each category in the whole circle. So that's all from today's lecture. Thank you.